Are you tired of handling endless customer support tasks while trying to grow your Shopify store? And what if I told you there's a way you can delegate all of that? 1Hero is your dedicated AI-powered customer support team that is not only lightning fast, but also multilingual. It isn't just a tool to assist your customer support agent. It is designed to take over entire customer support process for you. And if an inquiry needs to be escalated, it will connect with a responsible human through Slack, WhatsApp, or email, and ensuring that your customers always get the best support and still retain the human feel. Mobile-first approach once again emphasizes on the fact that it isn't primarily a productivity tool for customer support agents, but instead it is your dedicated AI-powered customer support team that can scale limitlessly. Once logged in, you can easily connect the support channels that we wish 1Hero to take care of. Then you can link your Shopify store and allowing 1Hero to sync anything vital for efficient customer support. Start by adding information about your standard operating procedures, refund criteria, return instructions, troubleshooting instructions, and more. Once connected, 1Hero will automatically respond to incoming messages from all linked customer support channels. Best part, it's fully controlled through natural language. You can instruct it just as you would converse with the human agent. For instance, if you need to inform 1Hero the stock replenishment is delayed, 1Hero will update its knowledge base to act accordingly when necessary. For more integrated actions like updating order, processing refunds, and generating RMA labels, you can choose between Safe or Auto modes. In Safe mode, necessary actions will be flagged for approval on the dashboard, and once approved, 1Hero will carry out a follow-up action. Try 1heroAI for free today and delegate your customer support to powerful AI.